Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into Voxy account on your desktop. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Voxy.com account, open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.voxy.com and press enter. You'll find yourself in the official web page of Voxy.com. Go and click on the student login button at the top right hand corner in order to log into your account. Voxy is an innovative and flexible digital English language learning solution that has been used successfully by over 4 million learners around the world. To log into your account, go ahead and type in your email address in the text box, or you can select the mobile number option and select your country from the drop down and enter your mobile number in the text field. You can choose any option and fill in the details. Click on continue button after you are done filling in your information. On the next page, your email or your mobile number will be verified, and if you've created an account for Voxy, then you'll be able to log into your account by following the on-screen prompts. That is how you can log into your Voxy account from your desktop. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.